Tea bags for puffy eyes. Tea bags can still be used, even after you finished your tea. You can use them as a simple, but effective remedy, to relieve puffy eyes. Why would anyone put tea bags on the eyes? Here are some reasons to do so. You can tone and tighten those bags under your eyes. They will reduce eye redness and soothe tired eyes. You can get relief from eye strain, as well as swollen and puffy eyes. Applying tea bags will promote blood circulation in the area, making the under-eye bags fading away. Can I use any type of tea bags? While there are certainly lots of various options to use, some work better due to their properties. Green tea bags can effectively relieve swollen puffy eyes and tighten the under-eye skin. Black tea bags contain antioxidants and promote blood circulation to speed up the disappearance of under-eye bags. Chamomile tea bags have calming effect and are especially good for tired eyes and to help with eye redness. How to use tea bags for puffy eyes. Take 2 tea bags among the listed before and put them in boiling water for 5-7 minutes. Then take them out and place on a small plate to let them cool down. You can even put them into fridge for 20 minutes to speed up the process. Enjoy your tea while your tea bags are enjoying the cooling process. Take the tea bags and squeeze the excess liquid out of them until they are just damp and not dripping wet. Lay down on the couch or your bed, close your eyes, and put the tea bags over them. Leave them on for 15-30 minutes. Remove the tea bags and discard them. Wash your face to remove tea stains. Use this tea bag treatment every day, once in 2 days, or at least once a week.